to Sophia's Passion for Cooking, where you find easy and tasty recipes. Today I'm going to show you another holiday recipe, apple kheer with homemade condensed milk. It's very easy and tasty. Hope you all going to enjoy this recipe. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
Fry cashews and raisins in 1 tablespoon of ghee in a saucepan over medium heat. The recipe is in the description box. Saute 1 cup of chopped apple in the same saucepan along with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Into that add 1/2 cup of roasted vermicelli and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 cup of milk. I'm using 2% organic milk and cook on high until it boils. Add more milk. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low, cover it and cook until the vermicelli cooks well. Add more milk if you want and add a pinch of salt. Adding salt in desserts make the dish sweeter. Finally, add condensed milk as per your taste and fried cashews and raisins. So easy and very tasty dessert for the holidays. This is optional. If you want, add some saffron strands.
See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye. Happy holidays, everyone.